Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best AI presentation tool in 2025 by comparing Gamma AI versus Beautiful.ai if you're looking for the AI presentation tool in 2025. Then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. If you've sat through presentations where each slide looked like it was designed by a different person, bring back the aesthetic coherence by introducing Gamma to your team. When generating with AI, type in the topic of your presentation and choose the number of slides. First, you get an outline of the presentation to see if it covers everything you need. Add or reorganize the cards to choose what you'd like. Scrolling down, the extra knobs let you adjust how much text should be in each slide. Determine the image source, automatic, web images, or AI, and add a prompt for the image style. It even lets you choose if you want full AI-generated content, a summary of your content, or no new content at all. On the middle part of the screen, you can edit the outline, write more content, or paste an entire document. Last step, choose the theme and hit generate. Gamma is a good all-arounder. In addition to presentations, you can also generate landing pages and documents with similar controls. It's like giving your entire team a design degree without paying big money or giving time off for exams. The best part is that there are plenty of powerful customization tools, and also app and web page embedding is also available, but the AI credits don't refill monthly. On the free plan, the presentation will stream into digital existence in front of your eyes. No jarring color differences, no weird layouts, no slides more overcrowded than a Taylor Swift concert. The AI-generated images are in line with the color scheme of the theme, blending in perfectly with the rest of the visuals. If you don't look at human hands, that is, but that's an AI model problem, not something Gamma can do a lot about. Beautiful.ai takes up your prompt, runs it through its AI engine, and returns a first draft ready to edit. Unlike other editors that surround the slide with loads of editing buttons, many of them you'll never even hover over once. This app keeps all the simple styling tools on the left side and the collaboration tools on the right. There are pros like solid collaboration feature and simple and effective customization tools, but AI leans a lot on text and data slides. The first unique characteristic of this app is the distinction between classic slides and smart slides. The former are your bread and butter, static containers for information that's not meant to change. Smart slides hold dynamic content instead, bar charts, Venn diagrams, and pictographs, among other options. This makes it easier to add and update quantitative information, a good feature for report decks that you use once every week or month. Customizing these slides is easy. Click the Layouts and Variations tabs on the left side to find different ways to display content, with pre-made suggestions to simplify placement. You won't have to drag, drop, and move stuff around manually if you don't want to. Stick to these two to create appealing, easy-to-digest slides without reading an ultimate guide on presentations. Sometimes you don't have access to all the data, and that's when collaboration is handy. You can assign slides to each of your team members so they can update the ones related to their activity. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.